Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree if you are new here, and welcome back to another palette mashup video where I pair two palettes together and make one look out of them. In today's video, I am pairing together the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice Mini Palette. That is what it looks like right there, with the still relatively new Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 5 palette. There's the inside of that one right there. This look, like my random number generator thing, put both of the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice palettes, the mini and my full-size one, literally in the same month. So I wanted to really steer myself away from the warm tones that are in this look, considering I use them in my other look. You know, there's that information for you. I went with a slightly cooler toned, more plummy look for today, and I think that it's really pretty. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, I'm going to start off in the little mini palette, and I'm going to dip into the shade right here, and pretty much just use that as a transition shade. Nothing too crazy yet. Next up, I'm going to go into Volume 5 and use this shade right here, B4, and pretty much just like deepen up my crease and transition just a little bit. Next up, I'm going to use the shade up here, A5, and start deepening up my outer corner. Last but not least, for the mattes, I'm going to dip into the shade right here and just completely deepen up my outer corner. And then for my lids, I'm going to dip into the shade C2, put that all over my lids, and then I'm going to use a little bit of D2 to kind of mesh that silver into the like pinky purple shades. Alright, simple and cute. I'm going to toss on a little baby wing and put on my base, and I will be back to continue working on this look. Alright, obviously went ahead and did my under eyes as well off of camera. I used a couple of the same shades that I used on my lids. Didn't change much. For my bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For my blush, I'm going to go in with the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Sunset Passion. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Pearl. I figured this was neutral enough that it would work, but it's not like an icy silver shade. I'm going to jump off and finish up the rest of my face. For my lips, I'm going to use the Milani Color Fetish Matte Lipstick in the shade Pleasure, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and that is going to wrap up my palette mashup with the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice Mini Palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 5 palette. I actually think that this look is really, really pretty. I am wearing very large lashes today, just because it's a video that I'm filming, that I've already filmed, but it's coming up after this one. But in that video, the look I just didn't put on lashes. but I needed to try the lashes, and so I was like, I'll try the lashes today, and these were the less full of the two lashes that I purchased, so I'm trying them out today, and I actually really like them. They feel really nice on my eyes, despite, you know, when I look up they literally touch my fucking eyebrows, but they're not like heavy, and they curved really nicely to my eyes. So if you're watching this video, it's going to be a try-on video coming up very soon that you're going to see me not show eyelashes but not put on eyelashes, and you're like, oh yeah, I remember she tried them on in a video that I've already seen and they looked really nice. Or hopefully you'll think that. But that is going to wrap up today's video. Comment down below and let me know how you would pair these two palettes together. I would love to know. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope that you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!